Yesterday, I went to surprise my dad for Father's Day. I've
Mhm.
got the code to his front door, so I just let myself in.
Mm.
I figured I'd bring him breakfast and hang out. Well, I walked in and he was straight up vacuuming the living room completely naked,
Oh,
singing some old school Motown like he was in his own concert. I froze. He didn't see me, and I just slowly backed out, got in my car, and drove home.
mhm, mhm.
We are not talking about this ever.
I think that is best. That is 100%. Let that man do the awkward things naked alone.
Yeah, I'm just happy he was singing Motown. Like, okay, dad, get it.